Strategy number 2, decipher between fact and myth. We're going to look at memorization, learning styles, and IQ. Study is mostly memorization. This is a myth. Nursing school is not mostly memorization. Yes, there's a lot of information that you need to know, but you're never going to be able to memorize everything that you learn in nursing school. So how does the brain decide what to keep? Well, we're going to talk about this more in a minute, but the brain will just dump whatever is not useful and relevant information. We now know that cognitive overload is real. You can only remember so much, and then your brain begins to get rid of the information that it no longer needs. Another myth, learning style matters. It doesn't. In fact, how do the best students learn? Well, they learn through all the learning styles. They're not just kinetic learners or visual learners or auditory learners. They've learned how to receive information in a variety of ways and make the most of it. I would encourage you that if you see yourself as using typically one learning style, branch out, try to learn in the other learning styles. The best way for you to study is to be able to receive information however it's given and practice doing that. I've heard students say, I'm just not good at math, or I just can't do pharmacology, or I'm not good at science. And the reality is, we used to think that you were born able to do something or not, intelligent in one area or not. It's not true. What we know is that intelligence is not fixed. You can learn. You can create new neurons. Your neurons can create new pathways. But this process in the brain is exhausting. And so typically students, when they're learning, they feel tired. They feel exhausted. I love this quote from my son's middle school. The joyful struggle is real. And that's what they use to encourage their students. And I want to encourage you with it too. If you're learning some complex topic in school and you're feeling tired or overwhelmed or frustrated, you should be even just a little excited because it means you're learning. If you're tired, your brain is having to work really hard, and it is working, and you are learning. So be excited about that. Be joyful if you can.
For real world answers to all of your questions on